Okay guys, I know it's getting a little dark. It's been a long day. I've been working on this 29 Plus for a long time. I don't know if you can see the 29 Plus is right there. There's the RF shield, the Faraday cage over here. 29 Plus is right there. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a test and see how she does. Testing in 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh no. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh boy. Oh, wait a minute. I think we can fix this. Oh. Okay, we got one part. This is embarrassing. Gonna need some time to gather the pieces. Anyway, boy, the RF shield didn't work. Okay, we'll be back.